Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix your account cannot be created at this time when you try to create an Apple ID. I had this issue and that's how I solve it. So the issue occurred when I went to apple.com to create an account. So what you need to do here and how I fixed it, you need to go to Apple Music, Apple TV, whatever website you like to create an account, and let me show how. Here on Apple Music, you just need to press sign in, and then you just need to put your email. And it doesn't matter if you register to Apple Music or your account is new. In my case, my email was new, so you just need to write that particular new email, even if it's not registered to Apple Music. And then as you can see here, create your account pops up. I just blurred my email here, but then you just need to fill out your details, and I will show you that is working after that. So I just verified my email, and as you can see here, my account is created. So account is here, and then you just need to, you can try on mobile and log in with some details and it will work. So that's pretty much it.